to. Hindi naman siya, ano. Okay. Yes. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, and I'm actually having my 2 weeks vacation right now. And it's 10 in the morning na dito, pero I just woke up and I'm actually still on my dress from last night because me and my husband, we went out last night, and it was Black Friday last night in here in Denmark. So we went out, but we actually had dinner outside. Tapos yung guys, yung pinuntahan namin, nakakatawa. It's because I wanted to eat sushi last night. So he doesn't eat sushi. He doesn't like it. So we had an agreement to eat in a buffet, Chinese buffet in Copenhagen, and it's actually a cheap place to eat, but it's good because he can have his food that he like, and then I can have the sushi that I love. So we were thinking, okay, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna cost us maybe around 210 kroner per total price. So that's really cheap here in Denmark, because normally it's gonna be more than that. So that what happened, and then pagpunta namin sa lugar doon, the place is actually closed. Iba na yung pangalan ng restaurant, and then I was like, are we in the right place? Smarty said, yeah, of course we're in the right place, but everything was changed. It's like somebody took over the place, and now they were selling mga pizza, mga burger, steak, mga ganun. Naging magandang place na talaga siya, guys. So we eat there. And then we went home around mga 11 na ng gabi. Kasi nagpunta pa kaming ibang shop, may tiningnan lang kami kasi nga Black Friday yon. So, yun ang nangyari. And then when we got home, it's because, I got so tired because it's really so dark here in Denmark. Like, the dark starts around 4 in the afternoon, and it was not raining, but it was so foggy. Yeah, it was so foggy. Everything was just dark. I was just so tired. And so we came home. Like, okay, then let's watch some movie first just to be able to relax. And then I fall asleep here in the couch. Sobrang pagod ko talaga. So anyway, I fall asleep on the couch, and Martin didn't want to wake me up kasi nga he said I was sleeping so like nicely. So he went to bed, and I was sleeping here on the couch, and I woke up just now, still on my dress on, have not even washed my face. I'm like, it's so yucks. But anyway, I'm gonna do that a bit later. I was just, and today, I guess it's Saturday. And the plan for today is, what's my plan for today? No, I'm actually, Martin washed a lot of clothes, so I have to fold them and iron some of them, put them in place. And I'm alone right now because he is in the garden house, so they're doing work there. So I'm gonna be here alone, and it's 10:15 in the evening now. And then around 1, I have to prepare myself kasi by 3 p.m. me and him is gonna go to Copenhagen, and we're gonna attend a concert. And Martin love concerts that's like boom, yung maiingay na music, yung mga metal music. But Martin said this one is not that super ingay. So anyway, I'll have to go with him kasi yung friend niya na sasama sana sa kanya is not able to come. Pero nabili na yung ticket. So it's like, okay, who should, I'm also on vacation, so I think it's also gonna be fine. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna drink some beer. And the next day, I get no responsibility, so it's like I can still sleep early. I can still wake up late the next day, so it's fine. So I'm gonna be working again, like real work, on Monday. Next Monday. Not this Monday, next Monday. So I have 1 week to actually still be able to relax and be productive here in the house. So yeah. And now, what am I gonna do? I think I need to take a shower. I think I need to brush my teeth. I think I need to... Yeah, I feel so dirty right now. It's so... Ew, But anyway, sometimes those things happen. So I'm gonna have my coffee first, and then I'm gonna take a shower after, and I'm gonna start my day. So yun. So, guys, yung channel natin, maybe naku-confuse kayo, oh, why there's so much coloring art going on, digital art going on in her channel? Is it not a normal vlog or something? It's still gonna be a normal vlog. I'm still gonna upload normal vlogs like this, but I I have to say that I'm really enjoying doing this digital coloring thing. It's an app I use on my phone, and yeah, I'm just enjoying it. It's like when I sit here and just wanna kill time. So I do it, and at the same time, I'm actually enjoying it when the color is done. I don't know what's going on with me, but I loved it. So that's why I'm uploading those videos, because sayang naman din kasi when I'm doing it, I can actually record it, the screen on the phone. So I'm like, okay, that could be a nice idea, just so I could upload and upload videos like this later on. So yun guys, yun ang aking buhay-buhay today. And may bago pala akong camera guys. So I am also testing it right now. And yeah, medyo confused pa ako ng konti. It's because I had my DJI before, and maganda siya pag nasa outside ka, nagmo-move ka, ganyan. Yung maliit na DJI ko, asa na ba yun? Ewan ko. But anyway, it's like if you're outside, and then you can bring it outside, and you can make videos that's like moving videos, ganyan. Pero pag nasa loob ka ng bahay or hindi ka nagmo-move talaga, parang sira yung autofocus talaga niya. And then I already updated in-update ko na yung ano bang tawag nun? Yeah, whatever. So anyway, na-update ko na dapat ma-update nun, ganyan. But then, it's still not working. Problem pa rin sa autofocus niya. And nasasayangan ako guys because maganda sana yun. Kasi nga, ang easy niyang dalhin. Super gaan lang. Pwede lang ipasok sa pocket, ganyan. And I just had it last Christmas. So, parang 1-year-old yun. So, ang dali niyang parang nasira. Pero hindi naman talaga siya sira. Yung digital, yung lang talaga niya, yung autofocus niya, hindi maganda. And so, Black Friday yesterday, so I bought a camera, and I'm testing it right now, like a real camera. And it's actually, I'm so happy because it's actually my first time na, bumili. Medyo mahal siya guys, pero, it's like, okay, reward also to myself. I've been working so hard and all, at kailangan ko din naman siya. But anyway, the short story is, so after nung DJI, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. So I've been using my phone. So kita nyo parang parang low quality, ganyan. Tapos, nai-edit ko yung videos sa phone lang din. But right now, I'm using a real camera. So, hindi pa ako nakatry guys na mag-edit ng video sa laptop. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, ano ba yung mga video editing niyo dyan na ginagamit? Ano bang video editor niyo dyan guys? O yung sana madali lang gamitin kasi pag-aaralan ko, kasi after nito, I'm gonna try to edit this video in the laptop, at hindi ko alam kung ano yung magre-research pa ako sa Google, ano bang dapat kong gamitin, ganyan. Kasi nasanay talaga ako na phone niya lang yung ginagamit ko. At pag phone lang, sobrang easy lang talaga. Yung ginagamit ko actually is itong, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys. If kita pa? Wait lang. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Video. Ewan ko. Hindi ma-clear. I'll just try to do it again. Video cut. Yes. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Paano ba to? Obvious ba? Hindi siya obvious, guys. Yeah, video cut yung ginagamit ko. And it's also nice because it was free. And even though I'm just using the free version, siya. Even if I'm just using the free version, natatanggal yung mga watermark. So, fine. Pero yun yung ginagamit ko talaga sa phone ko. And now I'm gonna try to do it sa laptop and I hope it's gonna be fine. As if naman dami kong i-edit. Pero I wanna try it. So kung may suggestion kayo guys, like what video editor na ginagamit nyo sa inyong mga computer dyan, and yung madali lang sana kasi hindi tayo ganun ka-techy. Yon. Sige guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna update you a bit later. I'm just gonna fix myself because I feel so dirty. Baka later, magawa ko na talaga yung, alam niyo yung parang skin tag pen remover. Yeah, maybe I can do that because I got the time today. I don't know. So, yon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.